Hey guys, Be Lucky here. Welcome to another video. What we're gonna do today is video is gonna be a pitch to Associate Dean Fusco at Penn State University on how HAXcms can be leveraged by different faculty and staff members for their courses and should be used. And I'm just gonna go through some examples of different things, sort of like a tutorial. So first off, we're gonna get started creating a new page. So we're going to add a page, we'll do test page, and we'll do testing for location. So we'll create that, and we'll scroll down here, we'll see test page. So as you can see, I put testing. This is the second time I'm going through this, so that's why it comes up with the 1 next to it instead of just testing. And as you can see here, there's test page for the title and everything. So let's get started with editing some content and adding things to this. So we'll go to edit page. Let's see. So right here we have a paragraph. So this is basically you can just add in content, different things like that, yada yada yada. That's not how you spell that word, but you get the idea. So that's one thing you can do. Now how about we want to add a header? So there we go, we got a header now. So let's add a title to that. We got that. Now, as you can see, that's kind of weird. We have the paragraph above the header. So how about we, instead of deleting these and restarting again, how about we'll just move that up real quick. Real simple thing for a simple mistake. Very easy to fix. You don't have to make any changes. So let's go on to something else. So hit enter. Have a new paragraph open for us. How about we insert a template? Let's do an example lesson. So here's an example lesson that comes up, and this is just basically an example for this. So in the future, if this gets implemented courses, you can change this up and make it different for each specific class, and teachers can put their own things here. So for this question, let's see. Who improves it and wants it to be best solution to transform education in the world? That's a tough one. Well, since Elms is open source, I am going to select all these people, all the creators, and anyone that wants to go for it. And that's great. That's pretty cool that like everyone can contribute to this. That's one of the great things about open source. Ooh, who founded it? This would be a tough one. This one, I think I'm going to go with Mythic Elves. Let's see. Oh, guess not. That's a shame. I thought I was pretty good about that one. Now it also comes up with little history about it and everything. Pretest, little self-check thing for you, true or false. Is a traditional learning management system? I'm going to go with false for that. Let's find out. That's right, it's not. It's considered to be the next generational digital learning environment. Pretty cool, right? Definitely some cool stuff. Also here embedded is a little YouTube video explaining what it is and the history behind it. That's pretty sweet that they can do something like that. And here's another header paragraph right up here. So let's see what else we can do. How about we insert a different layout? Let's do 50% columns. Look at that. Now we have headers where we can put paragraphs in. We got a placeholder for images. How about we upload something? Pull something from my file. And look at that. Simple as anything. Upload a new image. You know, you can change the heading if you want this to be about a specific topic. A little explanation paragraph with that. A lot of cool things to be done. So now let's go down and see what else we can do. And look at all the different elements that you can add for pages. I mean, there's so many that you really can't really put all this into one video. But how about we'll search for a specific media. Let's do some Wikipedia searching. Oh, look at that. We'll look up Chewbacca on Wikipedia. Try to update the page. Look at that. You can embed Wikipedia pages directly into the site, which is a really cool thing to do. I mean, Wikipedia is so helpful with so many different things, no matter what you're looking at. So it's a great thing to use, and definitely cool that you can just put it directly into the site. How about like a YouTube video or something? Let's see. Yeah, look at that. We can just put some Sixers right in there. You know, I'm a big Philly sports guy. Let's add a little Sixers video right to that. Ben Simmons, very good player. Doesn't matter if he can't shoot a three-pointer, so everyone's talking about that. So let's see what else we can add. Search for some more media. So this is just some really cool things that you can do with this. And I think it's some students would really enjoy. And something that a lot of people don't know, we do enjoy creating our own content. So I think this is like a really cool thing to have students do and get used to. So this is how we feel when you let us do things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, Associate Dean, and best of luck with everything. I hope you take this seriously because it's a cool thing to use in the future, and students would really love it. So with that, that's the video for this week. Hope you guys have a good day.